YouTube is huge. It has become a global phenomenon, reaching every corner of the world. In Africa, its impact is particularly significant, transforming how people consume content and connect with each other. Millions watch videos every day. From entertainment to education, YouTube offers a diverse range of content that caters to all interests and age groups. Families gather to watch their favorite shows, and friends share the latest viral videos. In Africa, it's growing fast. The rapid increase in internet accessibility and smartphone usage has fueled YouTube's popularity. Urban and rural areas alike are experiencing this digital revolution, bridging gaps and bringing people closer. People use it to learn, laugh, and connect. Educational channels provide valuable resources for students, while comedy and entertainment channels offer a much-needed escape from daily life. YouTube has become a vital tool for social interaction and personal growth. Starting a channel is a great opportunity. For aspiring content creators, YouTube offers a platform to showcase their talents and share their unique perspectives. Whether you're passionate about fashion, technology, or storytelling, there's an audience waiting for you. You can share your passions and reach a large audience. With the right content and dedication, you can build a loyal following and even turn your channel into a source of income. The possibilities are endless. Africa has many stories to tell. The continent is rich in culture, history, and traditions. YouTube provides a platform for these stories to be heard, preserving heritage and promoting understanding across different cultures. YouTube gives you a platform. It empowers individuals to share their voices and connect with a global audience. By analyzing viewer feedback and engagement, creators can continuously improve their content and grow their channels. Whether it's music, cooking, or education, there's a place for you. YouTube's diverse ecosystem supports a wide range of content, allowing creators to explore their interests and share their expertise with the world. This guide will help you begin your YouTube journey. Let's get started. We'll cover everything from setting up your channel to creating engaging content and growing your audience. With dedication and creativity, you can make your mark on YouTube and inspire others along the way. First, you need a Google account. If you use Gmail, you already have one. Go to YouTube and sign in. Click on your profile picture. Select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content. Next, add channel art. This is the banner image people see at the top. Make it eye-catching. Write a clear channel description. Tell people what you're about. Now you're ready to upload videos. What are you passionate about? Gaming, music, cooking? Choose a niche you love. Think about what people in Africa want to see. Entertainment, education, and how-to videos are popular. Research other African YouTubers. What are they doing well? What's missing? Find your unique angle. This will help you stand out. Remember, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly to keep people engaged. Content is king on YouTube. Your videos need to be interesting. Start with a strong hook. Grab viewers' attention in the first few seconds. Keep your videos concise and to the point. People have short attention spans. Use humor, storytelling, or music. Make your videos visually appealing. Good lighting and sound are important. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity shines through. People connect with real personalities. Section 5: Lights, Camera, Action Filming and Editing on a Budget. In this section, we will explore how you can create high-quality videos without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced filmmaker, these tips will help you make the most of your resources. You don't need fancy equipment to start. Use your smartphone camera. Modern smartphones have excellent cameras that can capture high-definition video. With a little creativity, you can achieve professional-looking results. Make sure you have good lighting. Natural light is best. Position yourself near a window or film outdoors during the day. Good lighting can make a huge difference in the quality of your video, making it look more polished and professional. Find a quiet place to film. Minimize background noise. Background noise can be distracting and take away from the quality of your video. Choose a quiet room or a serene outdoor location where you can control the sound environment. For editing, there are free apps available. Apps like iMovie, KineMaster, and Adobe Premiere Rush offer powerful editing tools that are easy to use. You can trim clips, add effects, and even include text overlays to enhance your video. You don't need expensive software. Free software can provide all the basic tools you need to create a polished video. Explore different apps and find the one that works best for you. Many of these apps also offer tutorials to help you get started. Keep your edits clean and simple. Avoid overloading your video with too many effects or transitions. A clean and simple edit can make your video more engaging and easier to watch. Focus on telling your story clearly and effectively. Add music or transitions to make your videos more dynamic. Music can set the tone and enhance the mood of your video. Transitions can help smooth out cuts between clips. Practice makes perfect. The more you edit, the better you'll become. Experiment with different styles and techniques to find your unique voice. Section 6. Building your brand. Creating a unique identity. Your brand is what sets you apart. Choose a catchy channel name. Design a memorable logo. Use consistent colors and fonts. This creates a cohesive look. Think about your target audience. What kind of image do you want to project? Be professional and approachable. Interact with your viewers. Respond to comments and messages. Building a strong brand takes time and effort. Section 7. Promoting your channel, reaching your African audience. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. Use relevant hashtags. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Engage with your audience. Ask for comments and likes. Run contests and giveaways. Join YouTube communities. Connect with other creators. The more you promote, the more people will find your channel. Section 8. Engaging with your viewers. Building a community. YouTube is about more than just views. It's about building a community. Respond to comments, answer questions, ask for feedback, make your viewers feel heard, host live streams, do Quanda sessions, give shout-outs to your most loyal fans. The more engaged your audience is, the more successful your channel will be. Remember, your viewers are your biggest supporters. Section 9. Overcoming challenges, internet access and resources. Internet access can be a challenge in Africa. Find reliable Wi-Fi hotspots. Upload videos during off-peak hours. Limited resources shouldn't hold you back. Be creative and resourceful. Collaborate with others. Share equipment and ideas. Focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a few great videos than many mediocre ones. Don't be afraid to start small. You can always upgrade later. Section 10. The business of YouTube. Monetization in Africa. In this section we will explore the various ways African content creators can turn their passion into profit on YouTube. Once you grow your audience, you can monetize your channel. Building a loyal and engaged audience is the first step towards making money on YouTube. This involves consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. This means earning money from your videos. There are several ways to do this, and each method requires dedication and strategic planning. The most common way to monetize is through YouTube's partner program. YouTube's partner program allows you to run ads. By joining this program, you can earn revenue from ads that play before, during, or after your videos. This can be a significant source of income if you have a large and active audience. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. These are the minimum requirements to join the YouTube partner program. Reaching these milestones can take time, but with consistent effort and quality content, it is achievable. You can also explore sponsorships and brand deals. Many brands are looking to collaborate with influencers who have a strong connection with their audience. By partnering with brands, you can earn money by promoting their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing is another option. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It's a great way to earn passive income while providing value to your audience. Promote products and earn a commission. Choose products that align with your content and audience interests. Authenticity is key, as your viewers trust your recommendations. Monetizing your channel takes time and effort. It's important to stay consistent and patient. Regularly uploading content, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your skills will help you grow your channel and increase your earnings. Don't expect to get rich quick. Success on YouTube requires hard work, dedication, and a genuine passion for creating content. Set realistic goals and celebrate your milestones along the way. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Keep pushing forward and your efforts will eventually pay off. Section 11. Conclusion. Your YouTube journey starts today. Starting a YouTube channel in Africa is exciting. Share your stories, talents, and passions. Follow these steps and be patient. Success takes time and effort. The most important thing is to start. Believe in yourself and your vision. Connect with your audience. Create high-quality content. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn. Your YouTube journey starts